Question number 3. Jan put her collection of stamps onto 3 albums. The first one has 20 stamps, the second one has 4K stamps, and the third one has 4+K stamps. Let's check whether the following statements are true or false or not possible to tell. The first statement says that the first album has the most number of stamps. Okay, let's have a check. The first album has 20 stamps. But let's see the second album. It has 4K stamps. So when K equals 1, the 4K is actually equal to 4, which is less than 20. But let's see K is equals to 10, then 4K will become 40, which becomes greater than 20. So it really depends on the value of K. That's why we are not sure whether the first album has more stamps or less stamps in comparison to the rest albums. Not possible to tell. The second statement states that the third album has fewer stamps than the second album. So let's compare the number of stamps in the second album as well as in the third album. In the second album, we have 4K stamps, and in the third album, we have 4+K albums. So if K is just maybe equals 1, that's for example, then the second album has 4 stamps. The third album has 8 stamps. Okay, so that means the third album carries more stamps. However, if K maybe becomes 10, becomes very big, 4K becomes 40, and 4+K is only 14. In this case, the second album actually has more stamps. That's why it really depends on the value of K again, so it's not possible to tell. Finally, the total number of stamps in the 3 albums is 5K plus 24. Let's verify it. In the first album, we have 20 stamps. In the second one, we have 4K stamps. And in the last album, we have 4+K stamps. Let's group all the constant 20 and 4 together, we have 24. And then let's group 4K and K together, we have 5K. Okay, so the sum is for 24 plus 5K, or maybe say 5K plus 24. So the answer in this case is true. Now let's look at the question 4. Machine A can produce 200 toys in 1 hour. Machine B can produce 10% fewer toys than machine A in 1 hour. How long will it take to produce 2,280 toys if both machines are used at the same time? So let's take a look. Machine A, each hour we can produce 200 toys. And then machine B can produce 10% fewer, right? That means every hour machine B could produce 200 multiplied by 100% minus 10% equals to 180 toys per hour. So now if we turn on both machines, every hour we should be able to produce 200 plus 180 toys. And now in order to meet our target, 2,280 toys, and with both machines on, we should be able to finish the job within this 2,280 divided by 380, right? 2,280 divided by 380 gives us 6 hours. So we should be able to finish our job within 6 hours. This is the answer.